For years, marketers have designed customer journeys like railway tracks. A prospect enters at one point, follows a predetermined sequence, and hopefully arrives at a sales conversation. Email 1. Wait 3 days. Send a case study, score the lead, notify sales. But B2B buyers do not move like trains. They pause, they disappear, they return through a different channel. They invite colleagues, they ask AI platforms for recommendations, and sometimes they complete half the buying journey before visiting your website. The customer journey is no longer a track, it is becoming a living system. Traditional marketing automation was built around instructions. If a person downloads an ebook, send an email. If the person attends a webinar, add 10 points. If the score reaches 50, route the lead to sales. These workflows created scale, but not necessarily intelligence. They could execute a journey, but they could not understand it. They did not know whether the prospect was researching for themselves, gathering information for a committee, or comparing vendors for a purchase plan 12 months later. Every possibility had to be anticipated and manually programmed. Autonomous customer journeys changed that model. Instead of asking, which workflow should this person enter? The system asks, what should happen next for this buyer, this account, and this moment? An autonomous customer journey operates through a continuous intelligence loop. First, it senses. It observes website behavior, content consumption, CRM history, campaign engagement, buying group activity, and sales interactions. Then, it interprets. It distinguishes meaningful buying signals from casual activity and considers the wider account context. Next, it decides, should it recommend a technical guide, invite the prospect to an executive event, activate advertising, pause communication, or alert a sales representative. Then it acts through the most appropriate channel. Finally, it learns from the response and adjusts the next decision. It is thousands of dynamically assembled journeys, each evolving in real time. Imagine Nova Manufacturing is exploring an enterprise AI transformation. The CIO visits your website and reads a strategic article. A traditional system records a page view. An autonomous journey recognizes the company, connects the visit with previous account engagement, and notices that 2 other employees have recently researched related solutions. The system does not immediately send the CIO a generic follow-up email. Instead, it begins orchestrating the account. The CIO receives an executive perspective on AI transformation. The data architect sees technical architecture content. The operations leader receives an industry-specific case study. Procurement is not contacted yet because the account has not reached commercial evaluation. Meanwhile, advertising messages change to reflect the account's emerging priorities. When the data architect repeatedly explores integration documentation, the journey detects technical validation intent and recommends a workshop. Sales receives a summary, not simply stating that a lead is hot, but explaining who is involved, what each stakeholder has explored, and what action is most likely to move the buying group forward. The journey is no longer pushing content, it is coordinating momentum. This represents one of the biggest changes for B2B marketing. Autonomous journeys will move beyond individual lead nurturing. They will understand buying groups. One person may be highly engaged while the rest of the account remains unaware. Another stakeholder may quietly block progress. A technical evaluator may need evidence, while the executive sponsor needs confidence. And the finance team needs a business case. An intelligent journey can recognize these differences and coordinate experiences across the account. It can identify missing personas and detect stalled consensus. In the future, journey success will not be measured only by email clicks or individual lead scores. It will be measured by whether the buying group is becoming more complete, more informed, and more aligned. Autonomy does not mean sending more communication, it may mean sending less. An autonomous journey could recognize that a buyer has received too many messages, that sales is already having an active conversation, or that recent service issues make a promotional campaign inappropriate. It may pause nurturing, suppress an advertisement, change the message, or wait for a stronger signal. This is an important distinction. Traditional automation optimizes execution. Autonomous orchestration optimizes the customer's experience, even when that means choosing not to execute. Does this mean marketers will hand everything over to AI? No. The marketer's role moves higher. Humans will define the audience, business objective, brand standards, and acceptable boundaries. AI will operate within those boundaries. Marketers will no longer spend most of their time drawing every branch of a journey. They will design the decision environment in which journeys operate. They will ask better questions. What outcome should the system optimize? Which signals can it trust? When must a human approve an action? And how do we prevent short-term conversion goals from damaging long-term customer relationships? The rise of autonomous customer journeys will ultimately change more than marketing automation. It will change the marketing operating model. Campaigns will become persistent learning systems. Personalization will move from inserting a name into an email to coordinating decisions across channels. Lead scoring will evolve into buying group intelligence, and static journey maps will become adaptive networks. The organizations that succeed will not be those with the largest number of workflows. They will be the ones with the strongest customer context, cleanest data, clearest guardrails, and greatest trust between humans and AI. The future customer journey will not simply be automated. It will sense, it will reason, it will adapt, and increasingly, it will build itself. The autonomous journey is rising. Is your marketing organization ready to let the journey think?